Today, life sciences companies need to transition from being traditional and product-oriented to providing complex therapeutic solutions, all in an ever-changing regulatory environment while managing time, risk, and expense. Imagine following a drug's life cycle from development to discontinuation. Imagine a data-driven approach that lets you switch from reactive to proactive quality and compliance and tame the complexity of amounting a number of products with a single version of truth. Quality and regulatory excellence for BioPharma ensures a single source of truth and enables change impact analysis, informed decision-making, and full IP reuse. Leverages regulatory and quality requirements as an advantage rather than a constraint. Reduces time to market and cost of market expansion, and secures consistency in quality, compliance, and regulatory activities. Expedite time to market for innovative therapeutic solutions with quality and regulatory excellence for BioPharma. Discover more.